Have you ever wondered what's really happening beneath your feet when we tap into geothermal energy? It's hailed as clean and sustainable, but the story doesn't end at zero emissions. Today, I'm digging into an overlooked side effect: how geothermal heat collectors might be quietly shifting the world of soil microbes. So here's the deal. Geothermal heat collectors are like giant radiators buried underground. They pull heat from the earth to warm our homes, but in doing so, they change the local soil temperature. According to the Austrian Housing Research Survey, soil right above these collectors can swing by 2 to 6 degrees Celsius during the colder months. That might not sound like much, but for the tiny organisms living in the soil, it's a seismic shift. Why? Because most soil microbes are picky about temperature. They thrive only within a narrow range, so when the ground gets warmer or cooler, it can actually suppress the activity of these microscopic powerhouses, especially in the topsoil where most of the action is. Scientists have measured a noticeable drop in microbial biomass in these zones, which means fewer microbes doing the heavy lifting. But the story doesn't stop there. Temperature swings can actually shuffle the whole soil community, favoring cold-loving species and squeezing out others. That's bad news for biodiversity. And it matters because microbes aren't just passive residents, they're the engineers of decomposition and nutrient cycling. When their balance tips, you get ripple effects that might slow down how soil processes organic matter. And adding to the chaos, the heat collectors can mess with soil moisture too, throwing yet another curveball at the microbial world. Curious and want to learn more? Check out journals like Soil Biology and Biochemistry, or case studies from Austria and Germany on ground source heat pumps. I want to hear from you. Do you think these underground changes matter when we talk about the future of geothermal energy? Let's get the conversation started in the comments.